Onshape's iOS and Android apps are more than just viewers. These apps are full-blown CAD editing tools that allow you to edit and view your models anywhere you are. Let's take a look at building a simple part in Onshape Mobile. When first starting the Onshape app, you'll be taken to the Documents page. Simply tap a document to open, or select the plus icon to start a new document. Now that we're in a document, you'll notice the Onshape app provides a full set of modeling tools. So we can start by tapping the front plane and then tap the sketch command. Now that we're in a sketch, we need to rotate normal to the sketch plane. If I tap the screen with 2 fingers, I get a pop-up context menu. A few other important gestures to know: pinch to zoom, single finger drag to rotate, and 2-finger drag to pan. Select with a finger, Apple Pencil, or even a Bluetooth mouse. Now we can start sketching. I'll tap the circle command from the toolbar. Then, with 1 finger, tap and hold on the screen. I'll drag my finger until the precision selector is over the origin. Let go and tap once more to define the diameter of the circle. I'll do this one more time to create a circle to the right of our first. Notice I can use the precision selector to get the horizontal reference to our first circle. Now we have 2 circles and we're ready to sketch a few lines. I'll tap the line command from the toolbar. Again, tap and hold to get the precision selector, and I can attach this line to my first circle. I can then drag the line across to the other circle. Notice the constraints are snapping as I finish the line. I'll draw one more line to finish the basic shape. I need to create a tangent constraint between the first circle and my lines. To create a constraint, simply tap the line and circle, then select the tangent constraint from the toolbar. Now we can add dimensions. I'll tap the dimension command from the toolbar, then tap the first circle. Tap one more time where I want to place the dimension, and a dialog pops up asking me for a value. Enter the dimension. I'll add a few more dimensions to finish this part. I'll need 2 more circles. I'll add an equal constraint and dimension one of them. The last step is to sketch a center point rectangle. Simply tap the center point and then tap to define the width and height of the rectangle. Add a few last dimensions and we're ready to extrude. I'll tap the check to accept the sketch, then tap the extrude command from the toolbar. The extrude dialog then pops up. Select the contours to extrude, set the extrude distance, and tap the check mark to accept. One more feature to finish this part. We'll reuse the first sketch by tapping the eye in the feature list to show the sketch, then create a new extrude feature with only the first circle and the keyway. Add a value for depth, and tap the check mark to accept. And there we have it, our first part, modeled entirely on a mobile device using the Onshape app.